Okay, this one we're gonna walk throughout this park right here and just give you a little context. I'll just kind of show you what's around here. So I'll go into all the details more. We'll just do a little quick browse through real quick. This is like a parking garage, and we're gonna explore all of this in a minute. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so real quick here, this is like a big shopping mall. I can't remember the name of it. New Johan. So this was one of the original big shopping malls. I guess when foreigners used to be here a long time ago, this is where they would go to get goods, but now you can get them everywhere. There's a waterfront down this way, and then more tall buildings. The AIA building has a sky bar up there. This right here is a parking garage. So this one is so the parking garage, people can park underground, and then you have this whole park right here. So you're kind of in this urban area, and we're gonna kind of slowly go around the periphery part of this. So that's where we came from, and this, you can see the traffic kind of goes through this. So this is called Grand Praia Beach, Big Beach Road, Grande Praia, Avenida de Grande Praia in Portuguese, which basically means Big Beach Road. So a long time ago, this would have been the waterfront right here. So all these buildings over here, they look kind of shiny and new. It's because they are newer. It's all reclaimed land. And then on this side over here, you have more older buildings. So we're gonna walk over on that side in a minute. But this would separate the old part, and then this was a new part. So reclaimed land basically means that they put water, sand and dirt in it to. I think basically it's kind of silting up anyways, because this is the mouth of a very large river that comes down from most of China, from a large part of China. So so that area is this whole area is like silted up, and the water is like not beachy, it's more like a silt kind of thing. So I heard that even when that was open and available, a lot of people would be a lot of ships would get stuck in the silt, so they couldn't really use that much as a beach or as anything else. So and then eventually they put like they reclaimed all the land, and then they put some of this new stuff here. So you got some casinos down, actually straight this way there's Lisboa Casino. We'll be able to see a little bit in a minute. Yeah, right there, there's you can see MGM, and then I guess one block over you can see Lisboa and Grand Lisboa. But MGM is like some other casinos, but all that's reclaimed land, and all of that is too. So you can definitely tell from the buildings that they look like a different kind of thing. And then I guess Grande Praia River would have, I'll show you, give you a route right here. Praça de Jorge Álvares. So that's our park right there. Then we also have a monument here. We're gonna check that out as well. 1513. So they're recognizing somebody from 1513, Jorge Álvares. So definitely Portuguese looking. And then over here, this is all the Grand Praia Metropole Hotel. Okay, so there's Metropole Hotel, and then you kind of have this there's a down street from the typhoon. We'll go check that out too. So yeah, all of this would overlook the water. And you see that Praia Grande, Centro Comercial Praia Grande, big beach. No beach here anymore, but even when the beach was here, I heard it was kind of murky and silty and muddy looking. So that would have just went down maybe 5 days ago. We had a big typhoon that came through 5 days ago, so a lot of it 5-6 days ago maybe. So they picked up most of the debris, but I think something like this is kind of lower priority because there's so much other stuff. So many trees went down almost everywhere. But yeah, this tree looks like they also took out the kiosk as well. So the kiosk is usually open and would have some tea and juice and things like that. So yeah, that's no longer functional at the moment. But the rest of the park looks fine. Yeah, it looks, it's nice. So anyways, this is basically this park, so let's cruise by. We're gonna basically go back over to that way, but you can see all these little park benches that people can sit at. Beautiful banyan trees. I call them banyan trees. They might be another type. Then of course you have this kind of a regular street, it seems. And a public bathroom up there as well. Yeah, it looks like this tree probably went down, and 3 years ago was really bad, a Hato tree. This one looks like it probably went down to Hato because this looks pretty old, but they must have tried to keep it alive. Yeah, it's hard to say what happened. Maybe even older. Maybe it wasn't from Hato. Was 3 years ago. It was a big typhoon 3 years ago. But it looks like they might have put that up maybe even in an earlier situation, possibly from a typhoon. So there's the bathrooms. So those are available to everybody. All those beautiful balconies right there. And now you can see Grande Praia, big beach road. And I guess we'll end it right here. This is a good space to end it. Like that. Let's walk away a little bit from that, put it to the side like that, and then we'll end it right there.